This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Chandra, Mohan, Gandhodi, Narayana, Swamy. A beautiful home with open floor plan having 4 bedrooms and 3.5 baths. Master bedroom suite with walk-in closet is conveniently located on the first floor along with dining room, living room, kitchen, laundry room, half bath. Second floor have 3 more bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms and a loft. Nice outside lanai. Rated in Seminole County. Minutes to Seminole Towne. Center Mall. Close to shopping, dining, entertainment and easy access to toll roads. Just minutes away from I-4 and SR 417. For more information, review the details below.